visiting Noto today, another UNESCO city. We are up in the bell tower. We just climbed a long ways to get up here. This is a really pretty city. Lots of very large and well-preserved buildings, and has a very pretty long historic street. You can see the entrance to the city is way at the end here. Yeah, I would say this one is worth a stop. Very different from Ragusa, much cleaner and more well preserved in my estimation, and more life here than what we saw in Ragusa as well. Quite a few palaces and places that a person can visit. But yeah, nice stop. So if you are in Sicily, I think this one is worth the visit.